That feeling of discouragement when you put the effort but a small account refuses to grow. That sounds familiar. You've tested many strategies and still haven't seen meaningful results. This video will unveil the method that turns things around for me and could do the same for you. There's a special surprise waiting for you. Watch it till the end of the video to something amazing. Guys, I want to show this to you. I've seen have found a new secret and super profitable strategy. This indicator just break the market, and to be honest with you, I left $23 in my balance again to grow my account. Sure, this will work real time. I'm sure that even beginner without an experience will be able to use this strategy. So stay with me and let's start working. I open the platform and select, guys, right here, the candles, right in hash, okay? And the time frame you're gonna use M1 for this one. And the indicator session, I take the Bollinger Bands to this and CCI, alright? The first Bollinger Bands, we're gonna set up this with 25 on period 20 and 2.2 on deviation. This style just copy as me right here. 3 on thickness, blue and black, okay? The second one, 25, 2.8. Pay attention to that. Blue for that and select the middle and background. Alright, and now just left the CCI, okay, 25 on period, and with this style right here, okay. So, okay guys, and now whole setup is ready to work. Alright, with the help of the dash lines and channel, we will be able to find the most correct situation and open my trades. I show you how I do it and what it takes to pay attention to. And yeah guys, all these indicators can be turned on your phone, okay, so you can trade or wherever you want. I tried this strategy on my phone using the browser, so I recommend to use the browsing as well on your smartphone. Everything is going very well, so let's start with this. I choose the time frame for my trade is 2 minutes, guys. The amount is 23, okay. Guys, I reached the whole bounce right here right now to make this video even more interesting. I press the red button to open the trade down. I think the current chart will go lower. Okay, my first trade is this trade session. Let's watch this. I've been following this current pair for a long time. I've done an analysis of all the details and factors, and now I understand it. This is what I need. Firstly, I see that after a small rise with the green candles, there was local reverse and the charts began to fall. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. The candles were trapped. Okay, look at this. I call this a trapped 2 Bollinger Bands making mini empty channel that shows over above and oversold zones. I call it trap. I don't know how to describe that. The green candle falls in the daft trap, okay, and after just back in the channel, I think you see that too. You understand what I'm talking about. I check the CCI indicator right now and see the main line as also failing the daft trap is a critical zone, and now 5 minutes later the chart has returned to the middle channel again. In general, my task is to catch these moments of return to the channel and open a trade in the same direction. As you can see that, it's like a reverse on that situation. I think these moments will continue. Okay guys, so look at this. Look at this right now. The red candles, the sequence are moving lower and I managed to catch this wave. However, I could have opened this trade 3 or 4 minutes ago and made a profit. I was a little late because I was checking all the factors. But in any case, this is a really good example and a very good situation. And yeah guys, it's a very stable situation. My trade brings for me $4 right now. Okay, it's a really good start. I have lost in my entire and red continue to grow my trading account. Just so you know, this is one of the strategies that can completely change your path in this market. To become a pro, master the most profitable strategies the most, but don't worry, I've got 2 exclusive content pieces that will be the key to our growth as well. Stick with me until the end of the video. This situation is very, very similar to the past, but the movement of candles looks like different. Okay, now I have the opposite. Most importantly, friends, the red candles right here have fallen in a trap as the previous one, and after some minutes everything began to return back to the Bollinger channel. This factor confirmed with the CCI indicator, and now I draw that right here for you, and once again, so that's it to understand what I'm looking at. The time for this continue 2 minutes. It's in the CCI right here. It's very good, so I'm waiting for profit. Okay, an interesting point, guys. It's best to open trade when CCI line has already returned to the middle channel. Pay attention to this. Remember this chart. You need to open trades only if you are convinced that candles have started to return to the Bollinger Bands channel. And the CCI line is starting to return in the middle backlog channel as well. Candles return to the channel, make the entry. Please remember this. With that strategy, I use only set moments, so be careful. I also remember that the moment of the candle should be duplicated if the candles have returned to the Bollinger channel. Okay, but the CCI line is still in the critical zone. You need to wait or skip the signal. Be careful with that and pay attention when you get the situation. 2 indicators should give a signal at the same time. Please remember this. It's very, very important. Okay? So everything here, guys, is super stable, folks. Very, very stable. Alright? The candle is just get around the middle line, the black one, and almost to get this. Okay, look at this, guys. That is a profit. $9 at profits. It's very good situation, and that is my second trade. Okay, last to the last one. So here, guys, I have $73 on my balance, which is very good results in few minutes of work. But now I want to open another trade. I found the same situation here. The green candles were a trap and everything is moving in a downward, and now it's getting reversed and going up in a critical zone. Yeah, guys, the CC line is a red return to the middle channel. It's almost there. It's will open the trade up using the green button. Right now the time for my trade is 2 minutes. Continue with that again, nothing complicated. I'm willing to take risks, guys, but this strategy is perfect one and in balance. The most important thing is patience and practice. I advise you start with small amounts and increase the trade amount every time your balance grows. Divide your capital in different parts and set a goal for the day. For example, now I would like to at least double my start bonus. I have already done this. So this strategy is in the final one. I don't want to take risks because it's very good trade session and I take 2 very high quality signals. I want to get another profit and just go to rest. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. This strategy is really very stable, guys, and I think I will use it every almost day. Okay. Already know, guys. Already know. See that everything is not going to my direction, but we need to wait for that. And when I'm just talking about to make it go for the day is about the risk management. Remember that's pretty good. All right, stipulate a stop win, stipulate a stop loss. We need to do this, okay? And look at this, guys. Everything is going in my direction right now. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and I will take another profit. The 3 trades give me almost $124, and I'll have almost $134 in bounce without that. Okay, guys, it's very good. I don't want to take risks, guys, so I keep the current profit. I increase my balance, and just incredible. I sort of really recommend that strategy to everyone. It's very good. This method should finally be in your diary. So use the setup, write your results in the comments, guys. It's very interesting for me. I really appreciated it. So right now, yeah, guys, wish you good profits, good operations, and see you soon on my Tumi channel. Bye bye.